through practical involvement or association. Ways in which the youth are taught to be responsible in traditional African societies through participation alongside the adults, through adults performing duties by imitating adults, giving punishment for failure to carry out assignments, through apprenticeship, being taught through proverbs or riddles or folktales, rewarding for duties well performed by giving instructions about the expected work, through guidance and counseling them on hard work or diligence. Moral values inculcated during initiation. The first is responsibility. They were challenged to be responsible adults. Solidarity or unity. Members come together to welcome their sheets back to the community. Honesty or integrity. They were to uphold high moral standards in the society. Endurance or tolerance or perseverance. Are to face challenges without complaining. Chastity or purity or self-control. Issues are taught on responsible sexuality. Loyalty. Issues are taught to keep community secrets and traditions. Love. What show love to their spouses and the community at large. Respect. They were to show respect to all the society and its customs. Obedience. They were to obey community customs and taboos. Courage or boldness. They were ready to defend the community. Kindness or generosity or hospitality. They were to show acts of mercy to all. Hard work or diligence. They were taught to work hard to meet their needs. Challenges facing initiation today. Spread of HIV/AIDS and corona pandemic. Churches and NGOs oppose female genital mutilation. Some regions oppose circumcision. Academic achievements are more important than initiation. Some aspects of initiation are unlawful. Influence from Western cultures due to economic hardships, which makes them less elaborate, due to modernity, due to intermarriage. It no longer shows national identity, due to urbanization. How initiation rites have changed today. They are less elaborate. Some rites have been banned or criminalized, for example, female genital mutilation. Some communities have been assimilated into their communities' cultural practices. Many prefer going to the hospital for the cut. In some communities, it's not meant for cultural identity, but due to health reasons. It's no longer used to measure courage or bravery. The time or season of the initiation has shifted due to formal education. Age has reduced to childhood. Initiation is carried out as an individual level, not communal. The sponsor has become less important. The role of the age sets or age groups has faded away. Church groups have taken over initiation to mentor young initiates. Marriage rite. It's a formal union between a man and a woman. Ways of choosing a marriage partner. The partners were allowed to choose their mates freely. Parents could choose their partners for their children. An intermediary would be used sometimes to identify a girl. A senior wife would choose a second wife for their husband. Parents of a boy may book a girl even before the child is born when the boy is still young. Strong men were laying a girl and carrying her to the man's house. In some communities, rich men and leaders were given girls as gifts. In some communities, a debt could be repaid with a daughter. A dead husband's brother inherits the widow. This is called wife inheritance or levirate marriage. Others exchanged from two friendly families for their sons. In some communities, twin brothers married twin girls. Rituals associated with marriage. Dowry negotiations and payment to seal the marriage. Choosing a partner carefully to avoid future disagreements or disappointments. Exchanging gifts to strengthen the relationship between the two families. Offering sacrifice to appease their ancestors and God to bless the couple. Offering sacrifices to appease the ancestors and God to bless the couple. Courtship is allowed for spouses and families to know each other. Breaking of the virginity to consummate the marriage with blood. Seclusion of the couple to show a new life from unmarried to a life of maturity and procreation. Bathing the couple in medicinal water to bind them together. Singing and dancing to celebrate the union.